Today I'm going to show you how to edit your Upwork bio section. So your bio section is also relatively important in terms of what a client actually knows about who you are. So you'll get two different types of clients. Some clients will read through this. They will read every detail. They'll pick up every little mistake, and they will really require a lot. So these are attention to detail clients, and these clients really have sort of strict regulations and rules when you're working for them, right? Then you'll get a different type of client, and the other type of client will kind of just read through the top and, they get the point, okay, we're going to hire this guy or not. So this very first section is quite important. What you want to do is go into your profile, click on this icon here, and you'll be able to just stretch this text box. And here you can literally just type in, I think it's 6,000 characters if I'm not mistaken. So let's just do that. 5,000 characters. So you can type up to 5,000 characters. And a nice way to do this, okay, this is a quick little hack. Go into Perplexity, into ChatGPT, whatever it is, and type in, can you write an Upwork bio for me based on this title? And then just add in your title, okay? Add in your title, add in your skills, add in whatever you want to add in here, hit the send button, and you're going to get some results. Now, what you're going to do with these results is you are going to copy and paste it. You're not going to copy and paste it. What you want to do is you want to copy it, you want to paste it in here, and then you want to read through it, edit it, and make it sound like you wrote it. Put it into your voice. Make it sound like you. And that is a winning bio. People are going to read that, and they're going to want to hire you. The second point is that this bio is actually SEO optimized. So the bio that you're writing should have relevant keywords inside of it, because when a client is searching for a particular type of job to be done or a particular type of freelancer, you may come up when they are searching. So this will now increase your chances of getting hired. And if somebody contacts you directly, in this way, you won't have to submit a proposal and pay in connects. So go ahead and make sure that your bio is legendary.